All right, guys, back with another video. Really just giving y'all this video. I'm about to get my hair cut. I just woke up. It's a raw video. Really just up, getting ready for my cut. My cut is like in a couple, maybe like an hour or so. But I'm getting ready for that. Really just telling y'all like for my hair, what I've been doing, everything like that. And then for my cut, like I've been telling y'all, castor oil. It's really what I've been doing. I've been using a lot. Well, not a lot, but it's been working. I use that for my cuts because like you don't really want grease in your hair, so that's what I do. Put that on. You can put it like on like here, eyebrows. It works really, really good. Grows your hair really fast, really thick. That's what I've been experiencing. It lays your hair down pretty good too, so I've been doing that. But yeah, been laying my hair down. But yeah, I just want to give y'all these like more raw videos. Really like what I do before I cut. I want to do like a before and after, all that good stuff. Because I feel like it's good for my channel to show y'all like when I'm about to go get my cut and then when I come back. Because that's important. So I think I'm probably going to put a little bit more. You don't want to put a lot in. I'm going to put a little bit. But you don't want to put a lot. But it's really good for moisture on your scalp. And it doesn't mess with the barber's clippers. Like, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes with grease, it gets everywhere in the clippers. The barber gets upset because his clippers are like greased up. But like with the oil, it's really good for like dandruff. And it's really good to like, you know, help out with moisture on your hair. So that's pretty much, I do that. I do that before, and I had a do-rag on too. I slept with that, I took that off, you know, for a video, just to show you. But, yeah, then I'll make sure I get, like, behind the ear, everything. I get, like, eyebrows. I'll get here. So, that way I'm good. But, yeah, I just do that. And then I'll also brush, too. My brush is somewhere. I'm gonna get it. I'll be right back, my brush. So yeah, I use like this regular brush, and I use my Torino Pro. And I just brush it in. And then like when I go get my cut, I'm gonna do pretty sure I'm gonna do like a temp, like a higher temp, like kind of like right here, and then I let it grow in. And then, you know, my wave just come in, everything like that, just quick, easy. And then I just brush everything in. And this is what I do before my cut, like just to make sure I keep up with my waves, keep up with my hair. I try to get my hair cut like every 2 weeks. I might try every week again. I might get back into that, I don't know. But for my hair grows really quick. But I don't really necessarily think it's good for me to get a haircut every week. Like that's just kind of excessive. That's a little too much. Maybe like a lineup. Yeah, maybe like a lineup every week, but not like a haircut. Like I feel like that's just too much. But it's good to have your haircut though. For other people, yeah, just brush that in. Brush that in. But you know, this is like more raw video. Just up. Like all right, like let's film a video. Let's get it up. Let's get it in. Everything like that, but you know, I just want to make sure my hair is good, make sure everything is good to go, everything like that, and I just brush it in. But and then too, like I normally kind of go low key, like I have this, and sometimes like I put a haircut, like just so like, cause my hair is not cut, but like I can't do it because of the video, but yeah, it's like that, and that's pretty much it. That's all I do. But yeah, just like I'm gonna come back when my hair is cut. That'll be another video, like kind of go in detail about my cut, like what I got done. But yeah, this is like before. Thought I should film it, tell you guys, and I'll be back.